Hello! Stop making the same bullshit as everybody else for craft fairs.
Bye, Shine.
Here's a fun project that I really love making and always seems to sell. Today we're going to be making a tray, which sounds normal. Anybody can make a tray. But stick around to the end of this video and you'll see what makes it different and stick out at a craft fair. So the first thing I did was grab these scrap pieces of oak I had laying in a pile behind my workshop, and I ran them through the table saw so that they were all the same width. I moved my table saw fence over about ½ an inch, lowered my table saw blade to about half the thickness of the piece of wood, and then ran it through my table saw so it would leave that channel right there. I brought all these boards over to my miter saw, stood them up on their side, and cut the 45s for the tray. Then I used some expired tattoo ink that a friend of mine gave me to dye these pieces of wood black. It works really well. If you're friends with a tattoo artist, grab yourself some. I threw some creepy looking handles onto the sides of this, then I glued and brad nailed 3 of the sides together, and once that was done I could slide in the final touch, which is a Ouija board. That's right, a tray with a Ouija board bottom. Honestly, you can use any game board for the bottom of a tray and it will sell. Most game boards fold in half, so if you use half for one tray and half for the other, you're likely going to sell both trays at the same time. People seem to have memories connected to these games, and if you find the right person, they're going to buy these trays. They're a simple project that anybody can do with just a few simple tools. Anyway, I thought this project was perfect to share for Halloween, and if any of you are doing craft fairs close to Halloween, I will almost guarantee you that this will sell. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next one. Later. Bye.
Bye. See you again. And have a good dream.